My name is Jesse Singh, and welcome to TALSMART's News Digest. Our team brings you a fresh story.
Trends are a part of every industry, especially when it comes to sales. The world of sales tech trends, though, is often the most crucial to a company's success. What trends are there? Well, the first one is a heavy emphasis on versatile sales skills. As in, people want in-person, e-sales, phone, chat, or digital marketing. A salesperson trained to handle a wide range of clients is going to be golden today. We're also seeing a rise in Firmographics 2.0. This is the name for those cool charts that show demographics data. For years, data was stagnant. Nowadays, data has become more inclusive of important factors like company size and client profiles. This is helping people sell more and know more. Digital sales, too, are increasing. This isn't surprising. We're a digital world. Finally, it's clear that products are going to lead sales. A good product will still always sell itself. And people will always prefer a product that offers premium service. So take a close look at your product first. Is it something you're proud to sell?
At TALSMART, we want to inspire every salesperson to dream big. TALSMART is your go-to sales training and coaching partner that is focused on the IT and software industry. Visit talsmart.com to learn more.